I'm a virgin.
They say you know if you judge a book by its cover, you know, brother, but boy, some book just...
Bruh.
5 virgins versus 2 secret non-virgins. So me have to nitpick for who me think aren't virgins. Alright, make we play.
I'm a virgin.
Hold on, you know, so me believe that one there too. Me believe her. Me believe you. Me don't know something about you. Me believe you. Next.
I'm a virgin.
I am a virgin.
That girl a lie. That one a lie. She lie, I lie at this.
I'm a virgin.
I'm a virgin.
I'm a virgin. 2 of them are liars. If the group discovers both the liars, they'll split a cash prize.
Okay.
If any of the liars survive, they win the entire prize. Who is the odd man out?
Why are you guys virgins?
I'm a Christian.
May I tell you?
Nice. Jesus. Yeah. So like I was raised like
Same.
Yeah?
Yes.
Me know enough Christian one a virgin, so me know not bomb on my phone just a boom up in a bro.
The fact that there were 4 Christians kind of caught me off guard. So
Why does some man look like he just put on some lip balm? Like he just get some oil and just rub it all over. So what that boy? What going this?
in a conservative Middle East.
That boy they look like Peter Parker. That boy they look like Spider-Man. Not the new one when they have in the theaters, like the previous one they did have.
In a conservative Middle Eastern family.
You're not a virgin. Me not think she a virgin, dog.
There's no way that I could like ever have the thing. Plus, I'm also ace.
Yeah, what? And when you talk so? Hey boy, you sound like you swing, man. Sound like you swing to the left field, you know. Hey boy, you swing to the left field. What the fuck is that, asexual? Is the lack of sexual attraction to others. We don't have too much sitting in, brother. We don't have asexual, bisexual, which other one do you know?
Yeah. I'm a virgin because I'm demisexual. It's like...
What the fuck is that? Huh? Okay, a demisexual is a person who does not experience sexual attraction unless they form an emotional. Bruh, don't that sound like a normal person? I don't know if I just me. That not sound like a normal person, dear. Wait, so what are we at them then?
Oh my god, bro.
Wait, no.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
How old are you guys?
19.
21.
22.
24.
What? Followers vote. Who the mole is? May I tell us this a boy, man? This boy is a virgin. We know that. Them, look on the vote, bro. 5, 6. That girl I'm very funny about she too. I don't think she a virgin too, man. 1. So we have 1, 2. Everybody believes that this a girl I like. And let me tell her why, because she out of the whole group, I think she the prettiest one there.
She looked a little mysterious, and before the round started, we were informed that there were 2 moles, and she didn't really have a reaction to that.
I voted for Leah because she didn't say anything, and also she was the oldest. She didn't really give us much to go off of, so.
Well, I mean, they would expect the oldest to be the least likely one to be the virgin. So, that them I work off fine right now. More would I work off her age. But because the girl here blue and then sitting there, it have me I wonder that, I don't know.
I think it makes sense that people voted me out because I'm older. I don't think there should be that stigma on older people. Like, if you're older, you had to have sex, but...
Well, I can't get what she has said, but at the same time, when you're 22, you know, my girl, and me don't know nobody who is like the virgin them out there, you know, but in a 2022, when as soon as you pull up your phone you see something sexual, me not. It hard for. It difficult.
Has everybody had their first kiss?
Yeah.
I actually have not.
No?
Really? I legit have
No,
not.
just
Squeeze, how are you and my girl in on cave? Hold on, no man, she how much dog? She how much? Because right now, nah man, no. What you try to tell me say? What you are telling me say? You are telling me say no man. No kiss your friend your bond. You don't get nothing in a high school, you know, nothing. Nah man, I can't tell me that man. Things man, I can't talk back. Yo, yeah, man, say.
okay, keep
It's
waiting.
okay, yeah.
Just wait.
How old were you
It's
guys
okay.
when you had your first kiss?
I was 15. I had it at Disneyland. How cute.
Well, I was 18 when I lost my first kiss.
He said that he lost his first kiss, and that was just a red flag in my head because I was like, I wouldn't say it like that.
Who the fuck say who says I lost my first kiss? What? Still a voting me now because me not even think nobody even put me not think no girl put their lip on female.
I was 12. I was
Okay.
But you know what's funny is that when I was in elementary school, all the guys were like talking to me, like, "You haven't had your first kiss yet?" And
You're not a virgin, me know that
I
boy.
was like,
And then there's me.
"No." And then I get to high school and find out, oh, I guess I was way ahead of everybody.
Have you guys done like
I'm trying to like
stuff further than kissing, like oral sex? Like, I don't know what you guys consider like true sex, but like
With my ex, that was like a purely lustful relationship. So like,
Yeah.
So how did you deal with that? Like, was he coming on to you and you were just like, no?
it was
What?
more like because we were so like in each other's faces, and it would just kind of like happened. And then right before like it would have crossed that line, I was like, wait, hold on, wait, can we just take a break? Because he was also a virgin. He broke up with me, had sex with someone else. We got back together. He told me, and then we broke up again.
Jocelyn mentioned a lot of close times with almost losing her virginity.
This a man and a virgin, brother. That you tell me. This a man. Someone else probably swing on the left field.
I was dating someone that wasn't saved.
Yeah.
And
Same.
that I
That's what
really
it
think
was.
that brings me down.
Yeah.
That when there's not Jesus in the center.
Yeah,
then
and it's
Yeah,
it's
that's
hard.
for sure.
And it's
God
hard when
needs to be
your
in the
your
center.
relationships aren't when you're not focused on Christ. Your relationship with other kind of
it brings you down.
it does
Yeah.
exactly.
Stop it eyes, man. You're not a virgin. I know that.
Ivan mentioned something about losing his kiss. I didn't want to, but I had to vote for him.
Yeah, it sounds kind of dumb.
He was pretty like timid, and I just felt like he wasn't giving enough details to what he was saying.
oh my god, man down.
I genuinely tried to talk and like say my things out, but everyone was going over me. I just like shrank more down. I wish I talked more.
Raise your hand if you think that the noise still in the box and you would like to continue.
Hey, do you ever walk into a room and completely forget why you're there?
Yeah, totally.
Every day.
Work the other day, like 2 of my coworkers were like talking in the back, and then I walked up and they're like, "Oh, Rachel's here. We can't talk about this."
You kind of bubbly, upbeat. So Mago say you are not a virgin either. Yeah. Further we go into this, me start to believe that this a girl that might actually be a virgin, but me not. I mean, she very convincing right now.
Guys, come on. Like I know about everything.
Yeah.
It's-
People think that like as a virgin that I'm like afraid of sex, but best believe wedding night. We ain't going nowhere that whole weekend.
I feel like for me is that people immediately assume I'm religious and waiting for a marriage, but that's actually not the case for me.
Yeah.
So I feel like a little like I can't relate to you guys because I'm not technically waiting for marriage, but I'm waiting to have a solid relationship with a guy. Like, I just want to be totally, completely comfortable with him. I would say other stereotypes.
So what the bumbleclat you been doing your whole life? What you do? How old is she? Girl, I know make no sense, you know, dog. Yo, man, you have to watch out for them, you know, brother. You sketch.
There's no right time to have sex. Everyone's on their own path, and you know, when the time comes, it comes.
I hate that it's called like losing your virginity. Like, I don't want to lose it. I want to give it.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I mean?
That's beautiful. I
Yeah,
love that.
right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Because I jam my finger, but I have a purity ring. Do you guys like have anything to like?
No.
You have a what? What is that she have?
But I have a purity ring.
You have a purity ring? She a virgin. Me don't know if to tell you. Me think she putting on an act. I really do think she putting on a good act here.
Okay. I just got these vibes from him that he had sex before and was like a reborn virgin.
There were so many religious people in the group, and I was like trying to get rid of one of them, and the purity ring kind of made me choose her.
The most in here, guys. It's not me.
Raise your hand if you think that the mole is still in the box and you would like to continue the game.
Yeah.
Was sex like, especially for you guys because you grew up religious, was sex like a taboo topic in your house? Like, did
Yo, if she turned out to not be a virgin, brother, she is a good fucking actor, may I tell her right now.
Is like oral sex? Is that
Because some people are like,
because I was on my
penetration
way over
is
here
sex,
thinking
and
like,
then some people are like, well,
yeah,
giving a hand job could be sex.
Yes.
You know, it's like,
I guess that depends on the
is
person.
it up to the person, or
I
is
would
it
say
like,
because I think penetration.
I don't know. I think it depends on like the motivation or the, I don't even.
Flag. My girl, just get flag. You just get flag. You give her yourself. You give her yourself. That's all.
I guess that depends on
is
the person.
it up to the person, or
I
is
would
it
say
like,
because
You see how she said that? Guess it depends on the person. I mean, I would say, like she try to adjust what she said. No.
This is really hard.
I don't like it.
the red lights.
Me, I vote her too. Everybody vote her out.
Rachel, I noticed, was sharing a lot less than she had in the previous rounds.
Uh-huh.
The whole abstinence thing and waiting until marriage, like, is the only answer for him. Just kind of made me feel like he was playing the game too hard.
We know say you're not a virgin, my girl. We know.
Raise your hand if you're certain that the mole is still in the box and you would like to continue the game.
Oh, one of them still. There's a mole still in there.
If the lights turn green, you vote the mole out. If the lights turn red, the mole is still in the box and you leave.
What?
Can the moles please step forward?
Oh my gosh, I knew it.
You're such a good guy.
You really did. I knew out of 4 Christians, one had to be like. I definitely learned that my like virgin rate.
Stupid. Me already know say Silver here, yeah, so I ain't virgin. But this a boy, yeah. This a boy, yeah. Me have a question now and then. Which team am I play for?
Boy!
Anyway, I hate that for me, you know. That is the video for today. Hope so you do good. Hope so alright in I place, man. And until next time. Night